Central McGowan's been around in my family for over 70 years, primarily in welding and gas supply, industrial supplies. Evolving from that into automating our customers' facilities with robots and fixed automation.
What's different about us, or what's innovative about us, is we're the only welding distributor in the US that has a full-blown automation integration division. So we can do tip-to-tail automation projects. We have the unique ability to build hard automation and robotic automation.
Hard automation is a single component that you're fabricating or building at a super high rate. For example, pop cans, right? And so you're filling a pop can. They make machines that only fill pop cans, and they do them at a rate that's blurry on a line. I mean, they go by so fast. Now, if you're talking lower volume components, but there's a whole family of parts, let's say, they're not all the exact same part, you would go with the flexible automation, which is more the robotics, where you can put different grippers on, you can reprogram, and you can do tasks for, I mean, as long as the robot's running, right? If you change parts, you might have to just change the gripper on the robot so it can handle a new part. But beyond that, you can keep using it over and over and over again for different parts or different manufacturing styles. The biggest pain points we're addressing in the automated solutions today in today's economy is really labor shortage. There's a lot of bad media around robots. You do see that quite often. You'll hear it on the news, you know, robots are taking our jobs, this and that. Really, most of the robots are going into facilities because there are no workers to hire for those positions.
People say they're taking my job. That's true. They're taking the job that you've been complaining about for years because it's not fun, or it's not attractive, it's hard to get into. Robots love repeating. That's what they do. Where if a human being was doing it, they may get carpal tunnel. They may get a back injury. It's not about the heaviness all the time, it's about repetitiveness.
The consistency that the robots provide over you and I trying to build something is second to none, and it'll do it day in and day out until you decide to retire the robot. The other big portion we're seeing now is a big movement in using robots in dangerous work, right? So imagine you've got a big press that's coming down and smashing metal, shaping, forming metal. You get your hand in there, your hand's gone, right? You get the robot gripper in there, the robot gripper's gone, but guess what? You can fix it. And so taking humans out of the repetitive ergonomic situations, but also get them away from dangerous machinery is a big one. Where I think we fit in central Minnesota is there's a lot of hardworking individuals that have their entire lives worked, and what we can do is really educate them on what we have and how their lives can be better with it. It's not us just walking in there and saying, yep, we can automate that, and 6 months later they have this automated thing on their floor. We got to get a real deep understanding of the customer, and also kind of partner along to make the system successful.
We're innovative because we're not just selling product off of a shelf. You know, we're getting involved in really designing solutions that help promote our customers to be more innovative as well. And that's the exciting, that's really exciting to me personally, because we get to get involved. We get to help foster innovation, not only internally as we're developing, but we're also helping our customers thrive and develop.
And that's really some of what the mission is around here, is to make our customers better.